Hello, in this section, we look at functions in Python. So, a function is a block of code that has been put together to perform a specific task in a computer. This block of code are given a common name, and every time the computer wants that block of code to be executed, it will call that function using that name. So, this is the general syntax of creating a function. First, we start with the def keyword, followed by the function name. When you're coming up with a function name, you have to remember the identifier naming rules in Python. No white spaces, should not be a keyword, should not start with a number, and should not comprise of special characters. And then you followed by parameters. For now, the function that we're going to create will not have parameters. So we'll just have opening and closing parentheses, then followed by a full colon, then block of code that will specify the task that you want performed. Now let us look at these two examples. One will be to calculate the area of a circle, and the other one is just to print the text, Jumbo Africa, welcome to PLP. To do that, I'll define a function, def, and then I'll call it Jumbo. And then you notice this indentation here. And then after indentation, I specify the set of instructions that I want my computer to carry out. In this case, I just want to print the text, Jumbo Africa. So to save time, I'll just copy paste this text here. Have it now. And for this function to execute this block of code here, it has to be called. And to call a function, the general syntax is you call the function name and then open and close parentheses in this case. So my function name is Jumbo. So I'll just say Jumbo, open and close parentheses. And when I run this code, I expect to see the text Jumbo Africa, welcome to PLP. Maybe I can add one line and say print, say we are learning Python. Python, like that. So if I run this, you should be able to see the 2 lines of code. Now, let us do another example, that is to find the area of a circle. So the first thing, remember, def keyword, followed by the function area. I'll call mine find area or circle area, like that. And then in here, I need to define the radius. And I want to get the input from the user, so it should be float. Tell the user to enter the radius, like that. Then after that, I need to calculate the area. I say area is equals to radius and just copy paste this, where we say radius should be radius squared. So to show square that way, then 2, then multiplied by 3.142. For the sake of readability, I'll put a space there. Then the last thing we need to do is to print the area. So just say print, say the area of a circle whose radius is, so comma radius, whose radius is Then you can say is that, then comma, we have area. Like that. And then remember, you need, for it to run, we need to call it. So I'm going to call it here on this line. The function name is find area, like that. Hopefully I don't have any error. So let me run this and see if it gives us the expected answer. So in this case, it has given us the radius is 7. So the area of a circle whose radius is whose radii is 7 is 153.958, and I have spelling mistake there.